The process begins as raw peanuts, still inside their hard outer shells, arrive at the processing factory. Workers unload the heavy sacks and prepare the peanuts for production. Each batch is inspected to ensure the peanuts meet strict quality standards. The whole peanuts are poured onto a conveyor belt to begin processing. They move toward a powerful shelling machine. The shelling machine cracks open the hard outer shells. As the shells break apart, the edible peanut kernels are released. Air blowers separate the lightweight shells from the heavier kernels. The empty shells are collected and removed from the production line. The clean raw kernels continue forward, still covered with a thin red skin. The kernels pass through vibrating screens to remove small debris. Advanced sorting machines remove damaged or discolored peanuts. The selected kernels are washed to remove dust and surface impurities. Warm air dries the peanuts before roasting. The dried kernels enter a large rotating roasting drum. Inside the drum, controlled heat enhances flavor and aroma. Digital systems monitor temperature and roasting time for precision. Once roasted, the peanuts move onto a cooling conveyor. Cooling fans quickly lower their temperature to protect texture and taste. The peanuts then enter a blanching machine. During blanching, the thin reddish skins loosen and separate. Air suction systems remove the loose skins. The fully cleaned roasted kernels continue toward grinding. In the first grinding stage, the peanuts are crushed into a coarse paste. The thick paste flows through stainless steel pipes. A second grinding stage refines the paste into smooth peanut butter. The creamy mixture flows into a large mixing tank. Inside the tank, rotating paddles blend the peanut butter evenly. A precise amount of salt is added to enhance flavor. Vegetable oil is blended in to improve smoothness. The mixture continues blending until it reaches a consistent texture. Samples are collected for laboratory testing. Technicians carefully examine texture, consistency, and quality. Approved peanut butter is pumped through sealed pipelines. It is stored in holding tanks to maintain uniform consistency. Meanwhile, empty jars travel along a conveyor belt. Automated nozzles dispense measured amounts of peanut butter into each jar. Every jar is filled evenly to ensure consistent quantity. Mechanical arms place lids securely onto the jars. Sealing machines tighten the lids to preserve freshness. The sealed jars pass through automated inspection systems. Labels are applied, displaying branding and product information. Production and expiration dates are printed for traceability. Workers perform a final quality check before packaging. The finished jars are grouped together. Protective shrink wrap secures the grouped jars. Workers place the wrapped jars into shipping boxes. Boxes are sealed and prepared for distribution. Robotic systems stack the boxes onto pallets. Finally, the completed pallets are loaded onto trucks, ready to deliver peanut butter to stores around the world.